Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. Going to do a full update here talking about the current circumstances. Yesterday was, I think, one of the more difficult days in the last 3 weeks or so. Yesterday was very much the first day that we actually had a lot of choppy market circumstances. Some might also say that this period of time was a bit difficult, but this period of time we never really had that volatility and we never really had that confusion. It was quite clear that we were consolidating here, all right? So then you know what to expect. And then yesterday, and that is still kind of going on, what Bitcoin is doing is it's looking for some sort of a support. The main support we have found so far is the support here at 90,800. After that, we've been able to break above 92,000. We've now been able to break above 93,000. We still have a lot of resistance at 94,000 with the 50 EMA and the 382 FIB. So that's a level where I'm quite interested in. Like how will we react to that level? But overall, I think Bitcoin is fine. I think that there's a possibility that we still drop down into this level right here. Between 90 and 89,000, which is still a massive support level. And as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we have lost the uptrend. So in general, getting to 100,000 is going to require a change in what's going on right now. So that's what I think is unlikely, but I do think it's likely that we're going to get some sort of a consolidation. And during that consolidation, we can actually have some nice trading, all right? And we also have a little bit more certainty of where Bitcoin is going. And just in general, that we can have some stability. And stability with the Bitcoin dominance trend right now, which is, it's quite bearish, is good, all right? Those are good trading market circumstances. Excuse me. And overall, if I take a look at Bitcoin right now, look, a drop into 90,000, obviously it's a possibility. But overall, I think the fundamentals are quite good here. The S&P 500 is trading at all-time highs. Nasdaq, same thing. Russell 2000 is holding the highs very, very well. So that's all bullish. Dollar strength index is showing more and more signs of actually finding some resistance here, even though it's not bearish. If this turns bearish, that's great news. So that's still great. USDT dominance is still bearish in my eyes, as you can see right here, even though, you could argue this is consolidating as well, which is not the end of the world either. And then at the same point, and then the last thing I want to talk about is the Coinbase Bitcoin premium. That's looking the worst I've seen it in the last 3 weeks, right? Basically, since yesterday evening, it's been at a discount, which basically means that there's probably some selling going on in the US. It's going into a little bit of a premium again this morning. It's going to be interesting to watch what this will do when the US session opens again today and when the US in general wakes up. Because if this goes into a discount again, like we saw yesterday evening, I don't like that. And just in general, a premium would be better here. But that's something we'll see. Overall, what I would say is most likely here is that we will hold the consolidation now, so that maybe we drop back down into 92,000, but I think ultimately we are going up higher into 95, 96,000. For now, I think 96,000 is a good top, is a good resistance level to aim for, and then to aim for some sort of a consolidation between 92 and 96,000 mainly. That's what I would say is most likely at the moment. Like I said, there is still a possibility we'll drop down to 90,000, but for that to happen, I think some fundamentals need to change, right? So then we either need to see the USDT dominance a breakout, for example, or the S&P starts pulling back. If things like that happen, fundamentals are worse, then Bitcoin can pull back lower. But at the moment, the recovery we've seen after breaking down below 92,000 for me is enough to believe that this is a solid bottom and that it's going to hold. But those are my thoughts, something like this. I'll keep you updated on this. I'll make a middle of the day market update, of course, later today. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.